Is your firm still optimizing your website for page 1 on Google? That worked in 2015. But did you know that in 2025, it might actually make you invisible? The search game has changed a lot. You're no longer competing for those 10 blue page 1 links anymore. You're competing for one answer, and that answer is being delivered by AI and not just Google. When people are looking for an attorney, they are now more likely to pull out their phone and say, "Hey Siri, who is the best personal injury attorney near me that can handle a hit and run case?" Does Siri give 10 options? Nope. She'll give 1, maybe 2 at most. If your law firm isn't the one being recommended, you don't exist to that person in that moment. This shift is called Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. AEO is completely different than everything that you've been taught about search engine optimization, or SEO. Normal traditional SEO is all about ranking your website on page 1 of Google. You want your site to get those first page clicks. Traditional SEO is about ranking in a list. It's about getting clicks from people comparing you to your competitors. But AEO, that's about being the chosen answer, the one result that AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Perplexity deliver instantly when someone asks a legal question. No scrolling, no top 10 law firm lists, just your name or not. Now, here's why this matters for law firms. Your clients are searching differently. They're using voice assistants. They're getting AI-generated summaries. And if your content isn't structured, cited, and trusted, AI skips right over you. The truth is, AEO is not a new trend. It's the new foundation of digital visibility. And law firms that ignore this shift, they're going to disappear from search results over the next few years. Ready for the good news? AEO is winnable, even for small and mid-sized firms, because AI doesn't care how big your firm is or how small. It cares how well you answer the question. In this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your law firm the answer AI engines recommend over and over again. We'll walk through how these tools work, what they trust, and how to structure your content to dominate AI search. So, if you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and become the go-to answer in your area, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.